Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue of live server not opening a browser when you are going to start. For this particular example, we have created here a boilerplate with H1 Hello World, and simply I'm gonna try to open it with live server in a browser. Right click on index.html, open with live server, and see what is gonna happen. I've started, the port 5500 is working, but we don't see any browser open. How we can fix this issue? Okay, we are stopping now the port, we disable it. We're going to manage section, which is located down left corner of Vscode. We're going to settings, and from settings we're typing simply live server. We have type that, and from here we're gonna search something like no browser, live server settings, no browser. See, we found this, and we have here a checkbox checked, which means if it's true, live server will start without browser opened. We uncheck this box and we are closing the settings, and we try once again to start our live server. We're clicking right, open with live server, and voila! As you can see, now we have fixed the issue of live server not open a browser. So the video was like this. Thank you for watching me. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.